Hi, it's Anthony from CarPlayLife.com. In this video, I'll be taking a look at two products from Ampere. The first is the Jetpack 5000 mAh MagSafe compatible power bank. And the second is the Unravel 3-in-1 foldable travel wireless charger. So first up is this MagSafe compatible power bank for iPhone 12 and iPhone 13 family of devices. It has 15,000 mAh capacity and it can charge two devices at once, up to 15 watts wirelessly and up to 18 watts from its USB-C ports that also has power delivery support. In the box you get a small paper instruction manual and there is the MagSafe battery pack itself. The power bank is a common size and thickness found in most 5,000 mAh power banks that are selling today. It measures 110 millimeters by 66 by 11 millimeters thick. It comes in this black and blue accent color scheme with LED indicators on the outer side to tell you how much charge there is whilst it's in use, and also how much recharging remains when charging the power bank back up. On the lower edge of the power bank, there is a USB-C charging output port, and in the middle there is a toggle button to check the battery status and to power the power bank. And over on the other side is an iPhone Lightning input port to recharge the power bank back up. You can also recharge the power bank using the USB-C port also. On the inner side you'll see the MagSafe array of magnets as well as its centering array as well. These magnets are strong enough to hold the iPhone very firmly with very little movement or wiggle when forced. This is great if you wish to stow your iPhone in a backpack or pocket without any fear of the battery coming dislodged from your iPhone whilst it's charging. I tested the power bank on my iPhone 13 Pro with 35% of battery remaining, and this Jetpack MagSafe battery pack gave an output result between 7 and 9 watts, which is about normal for most wireless power banks that I've tested. When charging both wirelessly and via the USB-C port, my wireless charging dropped down to around 5 watts. Charging the same iPhone using USB-C to Lightning cable from its USB-C port resulted in around 14 watts. This Jetpack MagSafe power bank from Ampere retails for $39.99 or £39 from the Ampere store directly. And if you use my coupon code Anthony20, you'll get an extra 20% off your order. So check out my links down below to learn more about this power bank and to buy yourself one. The Jetpack power bank is a decent 5,000 mAh battery. I like its relatively compact size, its ability to recharge using either the Lightning or USB port is convenient if you just want to carry one single cable with you. And it has some very reassuring strong magnets as well on the back. Its charging rate may not hit that full 15 watts wirelessly or 18 watts from its USB-C port, but its performance is on par with some other similar power banks that I've tested. Our second product from Ampere is this Unravel wireless travel charger. This is a 3-in-1 wireless charger that features multiple uses and ways to charge your wireless devices, from iPhones, Airpods, secondary devices, and even the Apple Watch on one of its charging sides. In the box you get a paper instruction manual. There is the Unravel charger itself. There are 3 varieties of this Unravel charger. There is this Apple Watch edition, there is a Squid Game edition, and there is an extra port edition as well, which features an additional USB-C port on the charger itself for charging a 4th device or accessory. Across all editions, the Unravel features 3 charging zones, one on each face of this tri-folding design. Both ends of the charger are magnetized, so you can loop the charger back onto itself to form a pyramid-style charging station for at least 2 devices. And you can place this on your desktop or nightstand should you be traveling with this device as well. On one side of the charging panels, there is a USB-C port that you use to connect and charge the Unravel. A 60-watt charging adapter is recommended to get the best out of the Unravel, so I use their own 60-watt travel charger to power it, which comes with a USB-C output port and a USB-A, a US charging pin, and they supply also a number of adapters to suit your power sockets. Once connected and powered, I was able to place and wirelessly charge my iPhone 13 Pro, my Google Pixel 5 and my Apple Watch Series 5 without any issues. Each panel has a small light alongside the round anti-slip rings, which indicates if the charger is operating successfully. However, with a large enough device sitting on it, it's likely that the device will cover or block this status light from being viewable. The version that I had has one charging panel that features the Apple Watch indentation to charge the Apple Watch. This panel doesn't seem to charge anything else, so if you don't have an Apple Watch, it is best to buy a different edition that suits your charging needs. When formed into its pyramid shape, there are some pull-out arms that help cradle the phone in landscape orientation for movie watching or FaceTime calling whilst charging the phone as well. None of these charging plates support MagSafe mounting, which would have been a nice feature to have, I think. And the whole charger can be folded down completely flat and either charge the Apple Watch, for example, or you can fold it the other way and have just one charging ring available and to charge it flat as well. However, I did find the whole entire width of the charger can play around with whatever strap that you've got for your Apple Watch. So you either have to take it off or undo one side of it, or try and lasso it around this whole width of the charger, which is a little bit of a shame too. The Unravel 3-in-1 charger retails for $49 for the Extra Port edition or the Squid Game edition, and $69 for this Apple Watch edition. Again, you can use my coupon code Anthony20 to get an extra 20% off your order. This Apple Watch edition comes in 3 colors. There is all black, red, and there's this glow-in-the-dark edition as well, which features glow-in-the-dark rings on each charging plate, and the middle section also has these glow-in-the-dark edges too. The Unravel is a versatile charger for travel. However, I do find it a little bit too bulky, and definitely bulkier than carrying just a couple of charging cables and a wall adapter. But with this charger, everything comes all in one tidy package, and you also have the ability to put it together and use it as a stand on a desktop or nightstand as well, and have all the ability to charge at least another 3 or 4 devices along with it too. With the Apple Watch edition, you do have one less proprietary charger to worry about bringing with you on your travels. I just wish it was a little bit thinner in its overall design to make it a truly pocketable travel charging companion. If you're on the lookout for more travel charging tech videos, you can check out my video here, and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching though to the end of this video. If you have, leave me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about either of these products from Ampere, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.